Hello, good night. And Macan. Scarlet Macan mouse from Guara Roja or Guacamaya in Honduras. It was a declared and national bird of in the country on June, June 20, 1993. Considered beautiful and is important to the ancestral Mayan people in Central American Scarlet Maca, popular and dramatical, decline in their third beard and far the destruction and their natural habitat and are also uttered and projected to be and some aspect concentrating and special might be action and some are of in the rank. The scarlet macan in Nigeria from Honduras, mainly from El Moquitia, and trans a conservation project. We can follow free different in the Copan Ring Archaeological Park, created in 2000, 2001. The Scarlet Wacom Mountain and Bear Park Reserve and with its local and international parents and implement a care center for conflict con influence beer encourage B3 fear resulta and what Macan Mountain started in 20, June 28, 2010, a Rails program in natural and beer and combined with public aware action, especially on the archaeology of Copan Ruinas listed on UNESCO World Heritage City in 2018. About Scarlet Macan, Beers Fee, Salefi, they are not one are sacred buyer on the Scarlet Macan on the basis of tres resultant the Wakan Mountain Inter to expand its F in war are Honduras. Effort Scarlet Wakan were popular and of territory. Some people in Honduras capture Macan and sell the Spain. Some Wakan and be caught and taken out of Honduras. And tres beer are close to bacon aging. Acting may when are in dark of the of tres beer is popular and domestic beer beer is social ARB and because it learned to emissary war. It was a for Mayan sealed or for its beauty and plumage. Both were most known and their beards are weird and the Wakamayas. However, out in trade and they were pleased, though and Biskar and Macan, though domestic and there if you are chance take and tow the sacred fire and to a bucket of scarlet maca. To her with my and direct to with some the scarlet maca from Extition. Bye.